Welcome to Choice Champions. The best weird candies is probably one of the most intriguing and surprisingly delicious categories of confectionery out there, offering a wild ride for your taste buds that goes far beyond the ordinary chocolate bar or gummy bear, challenging your perceptions of what sweet treats can be and inviting you to explore a world of exotic flavors, bizarre textures, and unconventional ingredients that promise an adventure in every bite. Number 5. Raindrops Gummy Sushi Candy Bento Box. Introducing a playful and vibrant candy experience that looks like sushi but tastes like pure sweetness. It's a unique treat for everyone to enjoy. Crafted with a variety of delicious candies, these gummies offer a delightful burst of flavor. You'll love the assortment of sweet tastes in every bite. Whether it's a party, a special gift, or just a fun snack, this candy is a fantastic choice. It's sure to bring smiles and excitement. Designed to be enjoyed by all ages, from children to adults. It's a universally appealing treat that offers a memorable snacking adventure. Presented in an eye-catching bento box, this candy is as visually appealing as it is tasty. It's a delightful surprise waiting to be unwrapped. Step away from ordinary sweets with this imaginative candy creation. It offers a fun and delicious way to satisfy your cravings. What we like. This candy offers a visually stunning and delicious sushi experience. If you're looking for a fun and unique treat for parties or a creative gift, this is a fantastic choice. Its realistic appearance and assorted candy flavors make it a hit for both kids and adults who appreciate novelty. What people say. The candy has a unique texture that is both chewy and slightly crunchy. Each piece is individually wrapped, making it convenient for on-the-go snacking. The flavors are surprisingly complex, with a mix of sweet and tart notes that evolve as you chew. Number 4. The Original Bag of Poo Emoji Poo Novelty Gag Gift. Introducing the Original Bag of Poo, a unique and fun novelty item. It's perfect for a gag gift or just a bit of playful mischief. This particular version is the Emoji Poo, featuring a delightful black cherry cotton candy flavor. It's a sweet surprise in a playful package. Looking for a memorable gag gift? This is sure to bring a smile and a laugh. It's a conversation starter that's both silly and sweet. Enjoy the fun scent of black cherry cotton candy. It adds an extra layer of novelty to this already unique product. As an added bonus, you'll find a free sticker included with your purchase. It's a little extra fun to brighten your day. Get ready for some lighthearted fun with this distinctive novelty item. It's designed to entertain and amuse. What we like. This gag gift delivers a laugh with its iconic poop emoji design and sweet black cherry flavor. If you need a humorous present or a quirky party favor, this candy is sure to be a memorable hit. It's perfect for those who enjoy playful and slightly mischievous novelty items. What people say. The candy has a unique texture that is both chewy and slightly crunchy. The flavors are surprisingly complex, with notes of fruit and spice that develop as you chew. Each piece is individually wrapped, making them easy to share and preventing them from sticking together. Number 3. Raindrops Gummy Taco Candy. Get ready for a unique candy experience. Introducing a fun, taco-shaped gummy candy that's sure to delight. Craving something different? This playful candy brings the fun of a taco to a chewy, fruity treat. Make your next party unforgettable. These novelty candies are a fantastic addition to any celebration or gathering. Whether you're young or young at heart, this gummy candy is a fun and tasty snack option for all ages. Looking for a unique gift or just a fun treat? This pack offers a delightful surprise in every bite. Enjoy the playful shape and delicious flavor. It's the perfect way to add a little excitement to your snack time. What we like. Experience the fun of a taco in gummy form with this unique candy. If you're planning a party or gathering and want a conversation-starting snack, this is it. Its playful shape and delicious gummy texture make it ideal for anyone who loves a good time and a sweet treat. What people say. The candy has a unique texture that is both chewy and slightly crunchy. The flavors are surprisingly complex, with notes of fruit and spice that develop as you eat it. It's a great conversation starter, and people always ask where I got it. Number 2. Kracie Popin Cookin DIY Candy Sushi Kit. Get ready for a fun and creative culinary adventure. This kit lets you make your own delicious candy sushi without any baking required. It's incredibly simple to assemble. Just follow the easy steps and watch your unique candy creations come to life. You don't need an oven for this treat. Enjoy the sweet satisfaction of making and eating your own candy sushi. This kit is ideal for parties, playdates, or just a fun afternoon activity. It's a delightful way to spend your time. Let your imagination run wild as you design your candy sushi. The possibilities are endless for your edible art. Experience the joy of creating something unique and tasty. This kit offers a delightful and engaging experience for everyone. What we like. This candy allows you to become a candy chef with its interactive DIY sushi kit. If you enjoy hands-on activities and creating your own treats, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who love a unique culinary adventure and the satisfaction of making their own fun snacks. What people say. The candy has a unique texture that is both chewy and slightly crunchy, offering a surprising mouthfeel. Each piece is individually wrapped, ensuring freshness and making them easy to share or take on the go. The flavors are bold and unexpected, with combinations like chili lime and lavender honey that stand out from typical sweets. Number 1. Sour Boogers Gummy Candy Halloween Treats. Get ready for a flavor explosion. These candies offer a unique and tangy taste experience that's perfect for any occasion. With 3 packs included, there's plenty to go around. Share these fun treats with friends and family, or keep them all to yourself. Looking for the perfect Halloween treat? These are sure to be a hit, offering a playful and delicious surprise for trick-or-treaters or party guests. Enjoy a trio of exciting fruit flavors: refreshing watermelon, zesty green apple, and tropical pineapple. Each bite is a burst of deliciousness. Elevate your movie nights with these delightful sweets. They're the perfect companion for any film, adding a touch of fun to your viewing experience. Need a funny and memorable gift? These candies are a fantastic choice for a gag gift that will bring laughs and smiles. What we like. Embrace the delightfully disgusting with these sour gummy boogers. If you're looking for a fun and shocking treat for Halloween or a gag gift, these are perfect. Their sour punch and unusual appearance make them a memorable choice for those who enjoy a bit of playful grossness. What people say. The candy has a unique texture that dissolves slowly in the mouth, providing a long-lasting flavor experience. Each piece is individually wrapped, making them convenient for on-the-go snacking and ensuring freshness. The assortment includes a variety of unusual flavors, such as spicy mango and sour watermelon, offering a novel taste adventure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.